Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2813th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this is a very risky game. Please don't ever listen to anybody who tells you differently. Never trade any vehicle from options to crypto to futures to stocks to everything in between without putting your protective stops in first. I have been doing this for 43 straight years, and we were stopped out on our short trade in the YM today. This morning, in short order, stopped us out, you know what I mean? So it can happen to anybody. Put your stops in, put them in first. Dow Jones Transportation Average, kids, I think I know what happened on Tuesday, why we ran into resistance. Look, boom, boom, that's Tuesday's bar. It ran up, hit the resistance, came racing back down. Algorithms are not blind, and down we started to go. All right, maybe it's not the transportation average. Well, then you Russell fans, I know it was really bullish on Tuesday, but take a look at this. I think you have to be careful in the Russell up here. Why? Because this is what happened, and it turned around and dumped. Think you got to be a little bit careful in the Russell. I do not have a sell signal in Russell, but I do have a sell signal, OMNI sell signal in NASDAQ and S&P to sell the rallies for trading on Wednesday. So I think this is what happened. I think we ran into this resistance. I think Wall Street sees it, and we started to come off a little bit. So we'll see what happens with the E-mini, S&P, and NASDAQ tomorrow, but I think that resistance is probably going to show up at least for half a day. We don't get a lot of down days in our market, so don't get crazy on the downside, but you may at least start off with the downside in E-mini, S&P tomorrow, or NASDAQ, and then we'll see what happens for the late afternoon. Now, traders, have these markets not been living up to their Rocktober expectations? This has been psychotic if you're a day trader. We have had markets that have just opened, rallied. You think things are great, you're long, it's going up, you think everything's going to be great, and what ends up happening is in no time at all, the profit erodes and ends up going down. This is the perfect environment to hit and run. Hit and run. You get into a trade, you make profit. I want you to take that profit and run. That's the way you need to trade this segment right now, because what we're getting literally is almost every day that we get involved in the market, with the exception of Monday, which was a holiday, but almost every day we get involved in this market, it doesn't go in one direction. It stops going up and starts to drop, or it started going down, 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 down. It turns around and starts going up, and your profits evaporate. Hit and run for the next few sessions until the genre, or until the complexion, if you will, starts to change on these daily bars. Daily bars have been deadly if you don't take your profits. Then there is this guy. Take a look at this market. Traders, insanity, what happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin daily bar. Now you remember we left off right here. Failure at the average. Down it went. Down a second day. Basically setting up for the market to crack. That's where it was just a couple of days ago, and this is the end result. The very next day it exploded, got above the average, and took off right to the top of the flag. Now, we've seen this in enough videos. Failure, holds. Failure, failure, holds. Failure, goes down, but only for one bar, comes back up the same day and settles in the flag. That's a hold. Never makes it to the top, but now the average starts to get involved. Right? Below the average, big break. Gets to the average, failure. Gets to the average, failure. Back to the bottom, another good hold. Just makes it above the average, starts to fail at the average, boom. Second time, boom. Third time, goes down for 3 days, and then boom, 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 up, and here we are. So, here's the question. Do we break out, yes or no? Answer below. Please leave your answers below. So, here's a question for you. Will it be different this time around? If you're a Jet fan, I already know what your answer is. No! But if you're any other type of fan, will it finally be different this time around? Will you finally get through? Or will it fail and come back down, or at least get back down to the average? We'll start there. What do you think will happen? Please answer below. Will it be different this time around and go through? Yes or no? It will start to head right back down like it always does, because a pattern is a pattern is a pattern until it stops repeating. What is your choice? Please write below right now, below this video. Tell me yes or no. Bitcoin, are we breaking out finally, or are we failing? Now, let's do a little experiment. Let's say we take this top line now and put it right to the high. See, now we went to this high, and look what happens here. So we need another day, most likely, of confirmation. But because it's been here all along, I'm going to leave it where it was and just show you what happened. What do you think now? Breakout, yes or no? One last thing to keep your eyes on is gold, traders. So when you're done putting your comments below here about Bitcoin, will it break out, yes or no? Go take a look at the gold chart. Keep your eyes on gold. It's been kind of bullish, a buyer of dips. So keep your eyes on that. Tell me what you think about Bitcoin. Make sure that you're ready to sell rallies in OMNI, S&P, and NASDAQ if trading the OMNI way tomorrow. And please like, subscribe, and share these videos around the internet. It would really be helpful. We need to help more people around the world, and you will help me do that by helping get these videos out. So thank you so much for that. Make sure you answer your question below. And remember, keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves over and over again, and by now, you should know what that is. Stop soaring. Before we go, just let me let you know, tonight is a dinner occasion for my wonderful honey Lisa, my lifelong best friend, my companion, my sweetheart Lisa. It is her birthday on Wednesday, so tonight on Tuesday we're going to go out and celebrate, and Wednesday we'll be sitting back in front of the screens with you cats. Happy birthday, Lisa. Love you, sweetheart. Emotions are rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.